In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable protection from harmful sites and downloads in Microsoft Edge. Enhancing your online security is crucial in today's digital age, and adjusting these settings in your browser is a simple yet effective step. Let's walk through it together. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge. If you're already using it as your main browser, just locate the icon on your taskbar or search for it in your Start menu. Once Edge is up and running, shift your gaze to the top right corner of the window. You'll notice three horizontal dots lined up neatly. Give those dots a click. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options. What you're looking for here is the Settings choice, which you should select. Upon entering the Settings menu, you'll be greeted with a list of categories on the left-hand side of the panel. Here, you should click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section houses a range of options that allow you to control how your information is handled within Edge, offering insights and adjustments to maintain your online privacy and security. Scroll through this section until you find the Security option. Click on it, which will direct you to various security settings available within Edge. It's like the control room for your browser's defenses, willing to guard against the varied threats prowling the web. Now, the critical part. Look for the option labeled Protect You from Harmful Sites and Downloads. This feature is an essential shield against malicious websites and files that may try to sneak into your system while you browse or download content. To ensure this protective measure is active, locate the toggle button next to it on the right. If it's not already enabled, go ahead and click it to turn it on. Once you see the toggle illuminated, you can rest assured knowing that Edge is actively working to fend off potential hazards as you explore the web. And voila, that's it. You've successfully enhanced your browser's security settings with just a few clicks. Remember, browsing the internet with safety measures in place not only helps protect your device, but also secures your personal information and perusing peace of mind. This little adjustment goes a long way in maintaining a safer online environment, giving an extra layer of assurance that you're actively defending yourself against potential online threats. Thanks for watching, and I hope this simple guide helps you browse with more confidence. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy browsing!